Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Aaron J. Holt, and welcome back to Crash Team Racing Nitro-Fueled. In our last episode, we started up our adventure. We got all the trophies, and we beat Ripperoo, and we got the, we got all the trophies, and we got the key from Ripperoo, and we got the tokens and the relics from Crash Cove and Ruse Tubes. And so we're going to be continuing that with Mystery Caves and Sewer Speedway before going on to the next area. So what do you say, guys? Let's get started. And what is that straight ahead? Man. A golden egg. Okay, hang on. If I can hop at the end of this. Nope. Am I supposed to collect that? Hang on a sec. I feel like I'm supposed to collect that. Yeah, I'm supposed to collect that. Hang on. But how? There's like no ramps. Let me see. Need a good running start. Come on. Let's see if I do this. Come on. There has to be a way to get that, right? Yeah. Come on, we gotta get that, right? There has to be a reason that's there. Let's see. Yeah, got it. Okay, now let's go to Mystery Caves. Okay. Now that we got that. Okay, CTR challenge. Okay. Sorry, I didn't... What's with the golden egg? I don't know. But yeah. Strange. All right. Trying to remember where the letters are in this one. Memory serves, one is off a turtle shell. I think one is off a jump, and the other one is like just easy to get in a tunnel. In like the tunnel by the dinosaurs. But we'll see. All right, let's see how this goes. Okay. Yep, there's the R, right off a turtle. And there's the T, right by the dinosaurs. Yep. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, come on! I had that. Sorry, Purah. Come on. Uh-oh. No, 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 no! Felt like Cleveland there for a second. It's like, Peter, what the hell? No, 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 no! No. Yes! Alright, now, where's the C? Thought it was off a jump. Where's the C? I thought it was off a jump. I'm a little worried now. I thought I remembered off one of those jumps, but I guess not. Oh! Where? There! Yes! Okay. Jeez. Give me a frickin' panic attack. Woohoo! Yay! Yay, a new skin! Skunk Crash! Yay! Oh well. I have crappy Wi-Fi. It doesn't matter to me. I gotta stop recording so late at night. Oy vey. Will you stop? Ugh. Stupid long sleeve shirt. Ugh. Woohoo! Blue Hyena Crash. Nice. Alright. Ooh, whoa. Whoa. Okay. Alright. The Golden Wumpa Rush. Wonder what the time is. That I'll have to get on this one. I hate time trial. I hate it, I tell you. Okie dokie. I miss the old loading screen where it's like the checkered flag fluttering in the background. All right. $155. Aw, dang. Come on. Come on, Crash. You got this, man. Come on. Come on, man. Yeah, you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Oh, no. Okay, good. Yes. Uh-oh. Oof. Come on. Come on, Crash. Oh yeah. Perfect. Oh yeah. And I got gold. That's right, baby. Woo! Best times. Best times, baby. That's right. I remember we tried to get all the boxes and ruse tubes in last episode, but couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. And I apologize for that, but I had to try, you know? I had to. No. Do. Try not. Do. Or do not. There is no try. Yep. My first gold.
Great. You earned a relic.
Yes, I did. Airbrush. Nice. All right, here we go. All right. Trying to remember where the letters are in this one. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while. Haven't played Crash Team Racing in years. Okay. Alright, where are they at? Okay. I don't think so, Cortex. There's the T. Dang it! Please! Dang you! There's the R. I came prepared! And there's the C. Move over, mate! Yes, firing missiles is a good way to signal that you want to pass. I pressed the hop button. There! Yes! I was finally able to do it. Ah! Dang it. Yes! Alright, now go. Let's go. Yes! Ow! Again? Yay! Alright. There's a reason why that is my favorite level. You go breezing through that like Mikey goes breezing through the sewers in the Ninja Turtle realm. Or whatever. It's all good. It's awesome. But I was a little concerned about that alligator, that giant alligator near the starting line. It's like, is he gonna lean over the barricade and just gobble us up? It's like, holy crap, dude. Yay! It was frozen there for a second. I'm like, oh, please don't crash. No pun intended. Green engine. Jeez. That's disturbing. Ridicrace. Let it slide. Yep. I know all these tricks, dude. I know all these tricks. I've been playing Crash Team Racing for years. Alright. Yeah, that giant alligator. Oof. Alright. What's the time? 1:33. Ah, dang. Ah, dang it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Okay. Restart. We're not doing this crap. Ah! Sometimes I wonder why I bother. Ah! Still my favorite level. Ow. Ah! There we go. Ah! Why? Why? Ow. You trying to make me mad? Good. Yes. I don't care. As long as we get that done. Let's go. There's a reason why I hate time trial. Ugh. So stressful. I can't imagine anyone liking it. Just... It's like, just get it done. Get it done. Yes, I know. My sister and I used to like playing the verses, you know, where you can like do the battle arenas. We always liked the courtyard levels. That was my favorite. Oh, man. And then when you have the invisibility, we'd always cheat by looking at the split screen and just like, figure out because just because you can't be seen doesn't mean you can't be hit, you know?
Great. You
So,
found a relic.
palm tree. Nice. Nice. Ooh. I want to get that shark sticker for real. That's awesome. Jawsome. Because let's see. Yep, we have all of them. Nice. All right. But yeah, like we would with the screen, it would be split. So like on top there's player 1, on top and bottom there's player 2, and so like, you know, we would be coming at each other, and like we would have invisibility, you know, enabled, and so like, you know, I'd be able to tell that my sister would be coming straight at me, and so I would have like the bowling bomb or like missiles just when she's about to pass me, you know, send the bowling bomb or the missile. And because like, yeah, just because you can't be seen doesn't mean you can't be hit. All right, nothing left for me here. Another golden egg. These are things I have to collect? I'm guessing I have to... Come on. Come on. Ah! There has to be a way to get that. There's lab assistant knights. Got it!
You don't have the 4 boss keys to open this door. Beat each boss to get a key, and when you have all 4 keys, come back here to race Oxide.
Okay. So there's gonna be a golden egg in this one too, right? I mean, come on. Yep, there's a golden egg right there. Hang on. Ah, dang. Didn't hop in time. Ah, dang. But I have the right idea. It's okay, we're only about half hour in. I can do this. Come on. You can do this, Aaron. You can do this. Get the egg. Ah, come on. Do I have to go up another ramp and then just speed down that? Hurrah! Okay. Got it! Alright, we got Cocoa Park. Let's go. Don't have to worry about collecting anything this time. Just speed. That's what I like about the trophy levels and then the gem levels. It's like you don't have to worry about collecting anything. Just go fast, you know? Don't collect anything, just go fast. Because I'm hoping to get through all 4 races and then beat Papu Papu. And then call it good for this episode. Because, yeah, that didn't take long to get that egg. So what's Cocoa Park gonna look like? Yeah, it's what we saw at the beginning, in that beginning cutscene. Why is Coco not in first place? The audience is weird. Yay. Come on, you guys are slacking. Give me a real challenge. This is why I like balanced. Come on. Come on, guys. Nitro wheels. Makes your tires glow when it's the perfect time to boost. I don't need this. I don't need that. But it's like, come on, guys. You saw on the map how far ahead I was getting ahead of them? It's like, come on.
Congratulations.
Yay.
You win a trophy.
Coco. Let's see, the next one should be Tiger Temple. I like the updated graphics. That's the cool thing, but you know, PS1 was a classic, you know. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. All right. Nice. I like the way the rain, like you see on the screen, how the rain, like, you know, drips off the screen. Like it does off a window. Perfect. Not perfect! What the heck? Yeah, I'm ahead of you now. What do you have to say about that? I'm probably gonna jinx myself. Again, guys, come on. Even if I wasn't, taking the shortcut, you guys are sucking. It's like, come on. Uh-oh. Walked right into that one. What the heck? I drove right into that flame. Nice. Okay, I drove right through that fire, and for some reason, it didn't make my shield go away. That was weird. Oh well. But come on, guys. This is too easy. And I'm jinxing myself right now. I know. Yeah. Aw, poor Polar. No need to look so bummed.
Congratulations. You win a trophy.
Team Trance. Like Entrance? Okay. And now we have Papu's Pyramid. We're doing good, guys. We're doing good. I don't think I'll ever be good at video game commentary, guys. I just don't think I will be. Sorry. Alright. What's with the noodles? They just look like... Those two things, those two straw things, they just look like noodles. Uh-oh. Ah! Okay, thanks for the boost, Tiny. Woohoo! Now let's see if I can still do this. Woohoo! I can. Do it again? Yes, I can. Ah! That hurt. Okay. Yep. I love it. Too easy. Too easy. Probably won't be as easy with Papu Papu. But yeah. I enjoy being good at this game. Been playing the original for years. So, maybe I should have not done classic version. Maybe I should have done, you know, the, whatchamacallit, the other version on difficult to test myself. Oh well.
Congratulations.
Yep.
You win a trophy.
Team Transgreen. And now we have, what is it? Dingo Canyon. I was gonna say Dingo Valley or something, but yeah. Got my hammock chair. Just swinging in my hammock chair. Yep. Like I said, I don't think I'll ever get good at video game commentary. I don't know, I'm just not used to doing commentary. Just used to playing video games. I don't know, maybe later on I'll just play some Kingdom Hearts 3 on my own. Nice. Ooh, got a train. Oh, bugger. Oh, I don't care if you're coming through, Coco. Ow! Oh, you bugger. At least I got a missile this time. Yeah. Ah! Fudge monkeys. Ah! Think about the bowling bombs. Oh no. Ain't messing me up this time. Yeah. Okie dokie. Don't like that one because all the twisties and turnies and the water, it just makes you not being able to... Oy. The water slows you down, especially. All right, we got all 4 trophies. Now we can finally race Papu Papu.
Papu much tired of watching puny slugs race so slow. Papu
Ow.
wanting action to lay Boo down big and prove Papu he's world's best driver.
Ow.
Papu moves so fast, you munch tracks.
Dude, how does your cart even hold you? Okay, whatever. But here we go. Papu Papu's challenge. Let's show him why we're the best racers. The mysterious door in adventure mode. You need to bring enough gold to awaken his majesty. What? So that's the gold? The gold eggs? What mysterious door? Where's the mysterious door? Okay. No, I have not noticed the mysterious door, but once I find it, that'll be good. But who is His Majesty? All right, Papu. Now, hopefully, I don't mess this up. He crashed into my beaker. Too easy.
Papu not himself today. Maybe Papu not eating a big breakfast. You are fast for being so small. Here's key to help. Oxide much bigger problem for you. Him not as big, but him much more grumpy.
Buddy, one word. Liposuction. It's like you want to be fast. It's like, how about losing a few pounds? Your cart might go a little faster. It's like Papu's cart might be, you know, the reason why he might be so fast is because, you know, his cart is rated to handle so much weight. You know, if Papu were to lose a lot of weight, you know, his cart would be probably much more faster since it wouldn't be handling so much weight. Yay! You have unlocked a new character, Papu Papu. A new paint job, yellow. A new sticker, Papu Papu. Alright, hang on. I want to go save first. Wait, hang on. What was that? Oh! Look at that! Hang on. Hang on. Reorient. There! You see the indentations? The 5 eggs. Okay, so collect the 5 eggs to awaken some chicken? Okay. But I guess this is the door? Okay. I was wondering what the heck that was. I passed by it and all of a sudden... Save. Yes. Okay. Alright guys, well, that being said, I am going to end this episode here. So, thank you guys so much for watching this episode. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below how you think I'm doing, what are the games you want me to play through. Just remember, please keep the comments kind. Also, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified about my latest videos. Thanks again so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Roll the outro!